guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am taking a photo of this little product here, the Rich Roth the Samurai, some shower foam. Now unlike other videos, I normally have like, you know, probably about 4 to 6 to 8 images of the one product in different ways and different things. In this one I just wanted to show you just 2, because then you just get bored of, you know, images of what I took of the same old blah blah product. So these are the 2 images that I felt really stood out. So guys, when I was taking images of this little product here, I wanted to like really you know, not use any lights, use very minimum stuff. So basically all I had was the window behind me, which caused its own problems because this is pretty reflective. As you can see, you got the shine of the lights and everything on it. So whenever I was, you know, trying to take a photo of it, all you would see me is in the can or up here on the plastic lid, me taking the photo. So I had to kind of come up with a way of not showing me, but still showing that little streak of light coming down the bottle, which I did like. So I ended up shooting from underneath. I used this little kind of setup. Now, you know, I used my my son's baby bubbles, you know, to hold up the plane of glass that I have, that I got from a picture frame that broke. So I thought, you know what, that little plane of glass will come in handy sometime for taking some shots, you know. So I kept it. Lucky enough it didn't smash where I keep it, because it's like behind the door. But you know, that gave a nice, lovely, different angle, you know, of taking your straight on shot, or maybe putting this at an angle. Instead we got the camera down low and we shot up through the glass, making these little water droplets on the glass itself, so you could see the droplets. It looked like there was nothing there, if that makes sense, like if the can was floating or the bottle was floating and the little drops were just there. So yeah, that was the idea anyway. And then I got on, you know, I was doing the little soap running down it and everything to try and make it, you know, like, because it is like shower foam, you gotta have like something to do with suds and water and all that good stuff. So I, you know, invented this little, you know, little suds coming down here. I say invented, I didn't invent suds. Suds in my head were always just there. That's just stupid. But anyway, I put suds coming down here. Now I had to work fast using the suds because they were depleting fast. I was going to think maybe I should use shaving foam, but then shaving foam just does not look right, especially for something that you would use in the shower. You'd think suddy and all that kind of crack, so I had to use suds. So I had to shoot fast, I had to work fast using the suds. The water was different, it was easy, I could take it to where I used my son's little Calpol Shirins. I can't even say the word now, I'm getting muddled. But anyway, you know what I mean. Now here are the 2 images. I'll let you decide which one was your favorite. Here's the suds one. Now again, like I said, I had to work fast using that one due to the suds, you know, bubbling away and disappearing, and also running down the little bottle so quick. So yeah, that was a good one. And here is my favorite. It was the water droplets, because I don't know, it just shows that kind of like there's a little bit of quality to it. There's, you know, a little bit of more goodness to it. It's not so cluttered with suds, but again, the suds bring that kind of shower detail into it all. Again, I guess it's preference. It's up to whoever likes it, you know. So guys, that's it from another old video of mine. I hope you liked it, hope you learned something again. If you want, you know, you can comment, share, and also subscribe. That would help out the channel a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So, see you then.